Alright, we gotta slow down now.
Hold,
Be really careful.
just hold his hand, Kane.
Yeah, wait for mommy. Dame la mano. Hand, please.
Damn, I should have put socks on. Who else got socks on?
Goes,
Over here.
bro. Like, do what you want, but protect Mother Nature. Like,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
This is the start of the trail. That's the building right there. We buy the tickets. This is the stairs. We're descending. Let's look at the surroundings. We're in nature right now, where I wanted to be for the past year now. So now, look at the wonderful waterfall. He's scared. Don't rush him. He has little legs.
I don't know how to take pictures. Oh, that's it. I was trying to picture the waterfall.
And speaking of waterfall, we're going to be going to a waterfall which is at the top of the trail, which is about a mile from here, which means that we will be walking for quite some time, which I'm okay with. We just have to warn her about Mommy because she decided to wear sandals and not sneakers. What are those? Anyway. Okay, now we come to our first
Are you recording?
reading. Before dying in 1980, this more than 1,600-year-old specimen of the arbor vitae tree was the oldest and largest known in the world. Where is this tree? Is this the tree here?
Mom, can I look up his hand?
Yeah. Oh, it's one of the, is this one? And
Before dying in
This one.
1980. Wow. Good job.
Agua. Doggies.